Not much to speak about this. This is actually a commitment before a camera. I have already agreed to come and perform for, and you have a very big vision about facts, and more I am enchanted about this, the idea of establishing a school for the kids, because everybody, you yourself have been firmly on your feet, and I don't call you an affluent, but you have been establishing yourselves. But the kids need a lot of our culture, and the acquaintance with the culture is very, very important, because they'll be missing a lot of that part. That string is such an important aspect in the lives of the up and coming children, and that is giving me more enthusiasm to perform for. But the cause is so noble, and I am very grateful to Facts and Ramamurthy Garu and to Sharma Garu, to everybody concerned with the Facts and all the associations rather affiliating with Facts, to have been nice enough to ask me to come and perform here. And I already committed myself. On the 25th of April, I'll be making lots of mistakes before you. Come and bless me and excuse me. I'll do my final rehearsals before you on 25th on the stage. And now I take this microphone for a very personal and selfish purpose. That often I have not come to this part of this world. I had been traveling to the other parts, but in the past, say about 10 years, this is my third visit here. And particularly speaking now at this venue, I am very grateful for all the love and affection you have been showering upon me and on my singing, on my family, on me. And I should say that you have been an integral part in my professional journey, undoubtedly, because of your listening and your appreciation and your critical acclimatization. I am here today, and this 41st year of my professional journey owes a lot to you all. I am very, very grateful for the love and affection you have showered upon me. I am very, very thankful to you, and I am very grateful particularly to Ramamurthy Garu. Actually, he was adamant since 2 years that I should come and do this show here in Sydney, and I am very happy it is taking fruits in the coming very, very short future. So let's all cross our fingers for April, and let's do the best. And it is not sufficient if I come and sing for a good cause. All of you should hand in hand go together to make this function a big success, irrespective of the languages you speak and the cultures you follow and the religion you follow. It is, don't forget, for our next generation we are doing a noble job. You are doing rather. I am coming just for one cause, and once I am coming and singing. But all your cooperation and all your support for this good cause makes things a very, very different affair. Please be with us and be together. So, and I should thank my host today and hostess for giving us this beautiful venue, and to all the scribes, personalities who have come, and the photographers who have overexposed me today. And thanks for your love, nothing more than that. And